Mag-fist bump kami ng random na tao, padamihan kami.
So, we made a game na fist bump kami ng random strangers. Kung boys plus 1, pero kung girls plus 2. Kasi mas mahirap rin. So. Watch this. Huh? 1 point for me, babe. Grabe guys, hirap i-beat yun na, nakadalawa siya. I guess I gotta step up my game. Tatlo guys, tatlo.
An authentic ramen experience at the comfort of your home. Hurry over to our
All three?
grab some
Lahat na tatlo ko ano. Doon ako sa mga lalaki kasi madali lang dun eh.
Ito naman, after niya.
pesos. Originally, it was 90 pesos. From the original.
8-7, lamang ako ngayon.
Ah, ganun? Gusto mo talaga? Hindi sige. Time to increase the ranking.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Easy 6 points, man. Come on.
Oh, papatalo ka na.
Ayaw mo.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Ilang kailangan mo ngayon?
4 para lamang. May social anxiety kasi ako yun, yung shy type na. Mahirap na para sa akin.
Forfeit na, man. Just give me the crown. Forfeit na. Forfeit na.
Ano na plano mo?
Yung 4.
Accept defeat.
Yung apat.
Oh, wait. Ito ka na.
Ano na?
Of course, kung 4, you know me, I'm gonna keep going higher.
Oh, no.
5. And I already saw my target, bro. We're going.
Church. Later on at 5:30, we will be drawing or giving away our
Okay guys, so halata naman kung sino nanalo. Pero hindi ko nga nabilang kung ilan yun eh.
It is what it is, guys. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Good game, good game.
Good game, good game.
Short game.